This little guard here is a handbrake guard. Today we're going to install one, or two. If you have a 300 series LandCruiser, you'll have an electric handbrake. Now Toyota's fixed their traditionally poor handbrake with one of these, so you shouldn't have any problems. But you can see that this actuator is quite exposed. So a decent rock or branch could cause some damage, leave you stranded. Handbrake might not work, or could just stay on. Now on the GR Sport, they've actually got a factory cover. So obviously Toyota knows this is a vulnerable, sort of delicate item. Now we've come up with a guard that's super easy to install, sits over the top, bolts onto existing bolts, and that's there to protect the actuator from any damage. This is a super simple install, take you all of 30 seconds. Only tricky bit is we need to put a washer as a spacer in on the bottom hole. One tool install, just need a 6mm Allen key. So, place my guard in place. Got my M8 bolt and washer at the top, that's the easy one. Now I'll slide this washer underneath and place the other bolt on the bottom there. And there you go. That side's done, off to the other side. Okay, on the other side, let's get the top bolt in. And then on the bottom bolt, we want to put the spacer in. And that's it, just tighten up. We have both handbrake guards installed. Now these are stainless steel and they're 3mm, so quite sturdy. Really easy to install. Your handbrakes are protected now. If you're interested in any other sort of protection for your vehicle, check out our other videos or visit our website, kayan.com.au.